what you do first is put some, and then you do that, and then suddenly you do that.
Oh yeah, like this. Hey, Jade.
That's how you do it. And
Like
then now
this,
she's doing this.
Yep. Delana, or where's Jade? Jade, where'd you go?
And all you do this.
No, like this. Mom's right. You go. Dot.
And then now you can do.
And then you rub it in.
Yeah. And then now you don't miss anything.
Oh, and Jade skipped her vitamins.
Jade,
Oh yeah, that's really
Jade,
nice.
great, look at that. This is how you do it. A little bit in there. Like this. Dot. Here you go. You can't get away.
Just, oh man, you're not a
Here,
good
let me clean
student.
your glasses for you.
I told her to. Just the facial tissue. Where's Julene? Julene, where are you?
I have these, huh?
Okay, good. I know she doesn't. I give. That's how you wash it. Just don't scratch it.
Don't worry.
Trust with Dad.
I've had glasses before. I still have glasses.
Yung damit niyang galing sa Italy, yung damit niyang, yeah. It's okay. You can finish that bacon.
Jade, how many fingers am I holding up? 2. You can see.
Hey, Jade, can you prepare for your candy first?
Oh,
Yeah. Go get your bag.
For church, just not much.
I'm not bringing a bag.
Okay. I have to do this with my sunglasses because they're really easy to get.
There's no good candy in there.
Here you go. Here you go. Ready? Oh,
There's the pantry is so full and no good candy. I can't believe it.
And chocolate in it.
That's
I
nice.
can't have chocolate. Oh.
That's good thing. Okay, let's see if I did it. Did I get everything? Is that good? And then, one other thing in here, I'll see if I find it.
Nice to meet you. Don't forget to subscribe.
I have a little cleaning spray. If I find
Julene,
the cleaning,
baby, look at this, your dress. Oh, Jelana, don't wear it. Jay, don't let her wear it. Yes. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. Okay, eat first now. So you don't hungry at church and you don't have tummy ache. Don't wear glasses. You don't want glasses, anak. I had a hard time. Nice. Mamaya, pakainin mo muna para hindi madumi yung damit. Mayroon pa naman, may 5 minutes pa. Si Julene, anong damit niya?
Ay, ako, pinipilian ko siya kung
Ayaw? Siya naman ngayon ang ayaw.
hindi makapili-pili.
I just me, forever.
Hindi lang. Bis ka muna parang mag-dance.
Here you go. Next.
Dala mo.
Need my idea. Okay, what's the idea? Alright, say bye, guys. Pizza or burger? Burger. Pizza or burger? Burger? Burger.
Pizza and cheeseburger.
Pizza and cheeseburger.
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 Nine meat. Pizza and cheeseburger.
Pizza and cheeseburger.
No, I need bit one.
One. Alright. Say bye, guys.
Bit one.
Say bye, guys, first.
Bit one.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Yeah.
Or it's an
Pizza or cheeseburger? One.
cheeseburger.
Hi, pizza or cheeseburger?